Hi, it's Keith Struthers here, and a very warm welcome. As you know, it's easy to design a great box. Even a box that's cooler than other boxes. But to be original, you need to break out of the box, literally. Our studio has taught hundreds of experienced and up-and-coming designers and architects from around the globe to design, document, and construct sculptural buildings. So what is a sculptural building? What is our method of teaching? And how will this benefit you? From a sculptural perspective, these buildings are composed of flat surfaces meeting at right angles. Blocks of flats, really. And if the German author and scientist Goethe is correct and architecture is frozen music, then this is the signature of our time. So what are other design disciplines doing? Yes, they also use flat surfaces, but they also add to them single and doubly curved surfaces. So their work is more expressive because it's three-dimensionally more sophisticated. It's stimulating, it's more challenging, and it's exciting. So integrating flat and curved surfaces, when you look around you, is definitely becoming the new face of architecture. So if you have been doing the same thing for years and you're thinking, well, maybe it's time now for a creative upgrade, and you know obviously that you're never going to win a competition with another box, then possibly you could try our step-by-step methods, which are tried and tested. We've done it for decades. You'll be doing design exercises on your own with others, handmade models, sharing your designs with other peers, and a lot more. In essence, we're teaching you a different way of thinking and a way of designing that unlocks your creative potential. So like hundreds of designers in our community, you'll very likely find our course emotionally and mentally engaging right from the get-go. So if you want to unlock your creative potential and connect with other designers in a friendly and supportive environment, then maybe it's time to book now, and we'll see you on the next course. Cheers.